Yes, be ready. Start. Madam the Honorable Finance Minister in his budget speech has admitted that the taxes he has levied are of an exceptional character, and he himself has stated that the taxation proposals of the fifth budget of his career total the additional taxation proposals of the other four put together, and he has justified his rather heavy taxation on the ground that the defense and the development needs of the country require such a heavy burden. Stop. I entirely agree with the Honorable Finance Minister that exceptional efforts for resources mobilization have to be made in view of the critical situation through which we are passing, and therefore I have no hesitation in supporting the general approach which has guided the bill which is now before this House. Stop stanza. At the same time, madam, it is necessary to examine the conditions that will be necessary in order to mobilize these resources, so that ultimately it may not be in our effort to mobilize resources and the generation of additional resources which would be needed in future for our defense and development purposes may become very difficult. Stop. It is in this regard that it will be necessary, while considering the proposals contained in this bill, to review the general health of the economy and the impact that these proposals are likely to make on the economic conditions in our country. Stop. We were told again and again by the agriculture minister that everything has all right as far as the agricultural sector was concerned, that the food position was very sound. Stop. Over.